Hey guys, this video is kind of different. It's a bit special, and for those who watched my last video, you know there's going to be a bit of an announcement on this video. You guys seem to enjoy when I host some collabs. My last one was My Cooking Journey 2021, where I urged you guys to try something Indian or put an Indian twist to one of your favorite dishes. Well, I'm back with a really fun collab. I hope it's something that you've never participated in before, so it's really fun, new and exciting, and it's kind of based on the challenge that the contestants on Hell's Kitchen have to go through to get their black jackets. The collab is pretty simple. Each week there will be one theme that you will have to focus on, and I will announce what theme it is at the beginning of each week. And for each week, for each theme, there will be one winner, which you all will get a chance to vote on, everybody who's participating. And there is an incentive to winning each week as well. The incentive is I am trying to release a book called Restaurants to Home. And if you win any of the themes, you'll get a signed copy from me. And to help you all with this collab, I've released a free guide on 5 tips on how to make cooking more fun, and also a worksheet where you can just for yourself track down what you're making for each dish, why you want to make it, and how long have you been wanting to make this dish for. You can also track down your ingredients and instructions, and also what you could do to improve it just for your own note-taking purposes. So you'll have from Monday to Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time to submit your recipes, and then at the end of the day on Sunday I'll link down a Google form where you can basically vote on your favorite recipes from that week. Simply add the hashtag LiveToCook2022 and the hashtag for that week's theme in your video title. Yeah, you can do as many recipes as you want during the week, but only one will be eligible for the vote. So just make sure to indicate on the video or just ping me directly to let me know which recipe would be considered during the actual voting and tallying process. You can still take part if you're late, but it just won't count towards the vote, but it could still be a fun collaboration, which is always fun. Yep, the voting will be open for everybody. So even if you're not submitting a recipe, you can still look at the videos, enjoy the content, and vote on your favorite recipes. Yep, of course. So if you are super good and everybody likes your recipes, your content, then yeah, you can win all 4 weeks. The winners will be announced sometime in February. Yeah, if you go on this link on the website and just enter an email, that's how you can get the free guide, the worksheet, and a preview of the upcoming book release. Alright, so just to close this, check out tomorrow's recipe to see what the first theme is, and if you get the guide, you'll get the theme right away and you can prep ahead. If you are in Canada, be sure to check out the merch that I have linked down below. Be sure to hit subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'm sure all of you are excited for the Live to Cook 2022 collab. See you in the next one. Bye guys.